A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
You know, at some point in time, most of us have experienced a little fender bender. It causes some damage to our car. And it's a hassle, right? You call the insurance company, they settle the claim, then you take the car to the repair shop. In a few weeks, you get the car back, hopefully looking as good as new. You know, when things get damaged, we should repair them. That goes for a damaged car, maybe a leaky roof, even a broken tooth. And yes, even relationships. Sometimes our relationships become broken and need to be mended. They need to be made whole again. And at times it's not enough to simply say, I'm sorry. Sometimes reparations need to be made. We need to repair the damage that we have caused. That takes a lot of hard work. But let me challenge you to never become content with brokenness, but to do the difficult work of repairing damage. Yes, say you're sorry, but go further by thinking of ways to meaningfully repair the things that you've broken.